of used properties with several observations are available. Discussed so far properties of observations from a single population. Mentioned small sample property, minimum variance. Among have discussed consistency, statistic. We have also used statistics. All these number of examples, but it can come from several populations. We shall discuss the formulation of moderate associated property from multiple populations. Observations from two. We start with the concept of x1, x2, xn from F and M are IID observation that the two samples are G are unknown but known. Suppose script F a continuous distribution functions. Theta F G defined on the script F and script F. We suppress the arguments functional simply as consider the estimate theta is said to be some estimator theta that is said to be estimable if and phi with argument up to xa and yb such that phi equals theta g belonging to the phi is called a theta. Minimum value of AB both less than equal to above is called the D. Now, what is the symmetric sample situation? Indicates symmetry of we have arguments. So, consider a arguments xi1 from the first population, j2, yjb. Then, phi is said to be unchanged for separate I to ia and j. As in the single sample case, symmetric kernel, we can the idea is the average of all possible new kernel and kernel for this situation. We shall explain symmetry through some examples. Assume that observations are available from IID observations are available and these two samples are in example 1 that is theta equal to y1. Since then y1 is nothing indicator function of the event x1, the kernel as indicator and phi is a kernel of course. The symmetry is next. Look at example 2 is to estimate the join y1 and as before since value of theta equals x1 less than y1 and the kernel is the indicator function and x2 less than y1, 2 x's and 1 arguments. Thus 1. Now conf x1 x2 that is that phi remains consider x2 x1. Thus by definition next consider example estimation of probability x2. As before indicator function is a probability it as indicator x1 less then phi is of degree. Phi is not can be seen if we interchange consider kernels corresponding to x1 x2. Winning symmetric kernel is the x1 less than y1 less than x2 less than y1 less than estimation of the difference of variance equals variance of x y1. It can be for variance of x1 square minus x1 x2 and was y1 square minus we take the kernel that is we take 1 x2 minus within y1 y2 but symmetric and as early symmetric kernel as x2 square minus y2 square clearly 2 2. Now of a U statistic in all we define just I1, I2, IA less than equal to I1 less than IA less than equal to small n as the set of J at 1 less than equal to J1 to JB less than equal to small m. Total n choose A possible kernels of D. The definition of a U statistic. Phi is a symmetric then the corresponding U statistic is over C1, C2, phi xi1, xi2, xi yj2, yjb whole into m choose B. We quickly state the U statistic. As earlier, since U is symmetric, it can be expressed in terms of 6. Therefore, complete sufficient statistics. From variance unbiased estimate of samples. Now, with variance of U statistic. Yes, the different terms are uncorrelated and here the contributions of expression of variance of U. Assume that C plus D greater than equal to 1. Phi CD with x to up to x C by D as x1, x2, xa given xi from 1 to C and ij for j equal to 1. The suffix of phi x and y variables also define to covariance between x1, x2, xc up to xa and yd plus 1 up to yb with arguments x1, x dash c plus 1 and then y1, y2, yd plus 1 up to y dash b dash are IID as g. Variance of u can be u equal to summation over such that c plus d greater choose c in minus c divided by 2 b choose d plus b choose b minus d choose b into C. Refer the readers to the books of this variance derivation. Concentrate on finding the consider in example the objective is to estimate naturally the kernel is which is symmetric the corresponding U statistic as y bar that is the U difference of sample means degree 1 1 we have 1 0 and 1 1 for the calculation of variance sigma square 0 1 sigma square 1 1. Now 0 1 is a covariance 1 and phi x1 and x1 dash copies from F. The 0 1 as the cos y1 and x1 x1 and x1 they are uncorrelated and dash are uncorrelated, we get variance of y1. Similarly, 1 0 as variance of x1 as variance of y1. Then S is the variance as variance of x1 by small n, which is the u minus y bar. In example 2, probability x1 less than y1. Kernel is the indicator of the, thus phi is less than y1 and degree 1 1 is simply the proportion that xi less than u is the famous Mann-Whit distributions as early as 0 1 1 0 d. Thus variance we need to calculate 1 sigma square 1 0. Note that sigma square the probability of x1 less than y1 dash. Since expected value, now we observe that dash are IID. Additionally fix x1 less than y1 and becomes the double x1 less than y1, where x1 is conditional. The inner expectation is distribution of y1 and x1 is independent of the inner expectation of x1 whole square. Get that probability x intersection x1 less than expected value of whole square, where the x to the distribution of x1. Find sigma square 0 1 value of f square y. Since indicate 1 has a Bernoulli distribution, we get sigma square 1 minus theta. Combining expression follows. We consider estimation of variance of y1. The x2 square minus y whole thing divided by 2. Corresponding U statistic simply x minus s square. S square x is the sample n minus 1. Now, and we have a total of 8 possible choices. 1 0, 1 2 1, 2 0 2 for CD. Simple use of conditioning take sigma square 0 1 equal to minus mu y whole square 1 0 equals mu x whole square. Also straightforward to derive, but looking at the x statistic, we suggest U is actually a U statistics. Again, U statistics are independent. Write U as where U1 and U2 are x. Then variance of U1, considering examples on the variances of U1, the final expression of now of U, that is consistent. We provide only as a but skip the details. Statistic corresponding to AB. Denote capital N equal to small m. Assume A1 than 0 for CD 1 0 and A for each capital N equal to there exists and small m such that n tends to infinity, n tends to infinity and n tends to lambda, n tends to 1 minus lambda is in the open interval 0 to 1. Lambda equals to 0 is a degenerate case. A1 and A2 of U tends to sigma square equals A0 divided by lambda sigma square 0 1 divided. Now we have expected value of, then from the represent U equal to 1 by n variance of U, which is minimum of mn n times variance of U, but 1 by capital N. Combining this we get, and hence the next we shall contribution of U. How is the outline of the proof? A1 and A2 above to infinity, then square root of n U minus normal 0 sigma square as specified earlier. We shall give the outline of Zn as into U minus theta square root of n by small n 0 xi minus 3 into square root of n summation j from 1 to m j minus theta, where phi 0 1 are already, it is natural to see that 0 and 2n phi 1 0 xi divided by small n is the random variables. They are the second and third n are independently normal. Moreover, Zn square tends to 0, thus j to 0 as n tends to square root of n u minus a into square root of n by phi 1 0 xi b into square root of n j from 1 to m minus theta have the same. The latter is asymptotic and hence the proof is. Note that phi 1 0 and yj are in the terms are independent. Here are some examples where the U statistics. Now as n tends to infinity, distribution of square root of n minus theta is normal variance sigma square, where sigma square 1 0 by lambda square 0 1 by 1 minus lambda. Find or 1 0 equals variance of x1 equals variance of y1. Variance of y1 by 1 minus. We just note that we need only to derive and sigma square 1 0. Example 2 again. Here proportion of observations yj. Then as a distribution of square root of n is normal 0 sigma square. Sigma square 1 0 sigma square 0 1 by 1 minus sigma square 1 0 takes of as capital Gx whole square d and sigma square 0 1 takes of x square dgx. However, if we assume for testing equally difficult to g, then under theta equal to half, because x and y are IID, y is nothing but half, gives sigma square 1 as 1 by 12 equal to g, the distribute of n u minus half normal 0 1 by into 1 minus lambda. Now 3 again, that is up to variances. Then derived expressions as n root of n multiplied by u distribution to normal 0 sigma square is nothing but sigma plus sigma square 0 1. Now sigma square 1 variance of x1 minus mu x square 0 1 is derived as whole square. Therefore, the asymptotic variance, the weighted sum of the two univariate U statistics inversely proportional to lambda respectively. We have thus two sample U statistics, samples from two populations. We have discussed two sample U statistic like consistency, and in our next the notions of confidence interval estimation, non-parametric inference.